What's included in the Rebuilder 300 kit? First, open your Rebuilder bag. You will find 2 packs of self-adhesive pads for your Rebuilder. Next, you will find your instruction booklet that goes over how to use your Rebuilder. Unzip and open your Rebuilder bag. You will find your Rebuilder unit and lead wires sealed in a protective bubble wrap bag. The Rebuilder 300 kit comes with 1 lead wire. And finally, remove and unpack your Rebuilder 300 unit. For instructions on how to connect and use your Rebuilder 300, please watch our other videos that show the treatment accessories and how to use them. Visit us online at rebuildermedical.com to shop for accessories and supplies. Or call us toll-free at 877-717-5487.